So you'd like a cold plunge, but you don't want to spend $5,000 to get it. That makes sense. I'm going to teach you how I made one for $230. That's 95% less of what they're going for on the market. Now, it's not pretty, but I'm sure you have a garage or a place that you want to put it that you'll just get results from. I mean, you're not going to have this thing in your bedroom, but it's not a tub of ice that you have to go buy ice for every day you want to use it. It's efficient, it's cheap, it's easy to build. The first thing you're going to do is open up Facebook Marketplace and look for a deep freezer. I found a 7 cubic foot deep freezer on Facebook Marketplace for $150. Once you have your deep freezer, you're going to want some all-purpose waterproof caulk. Abby, come here. What you're going to want to do with the caulk is to seal the seams. They're going to be very obvious to you. You just want to seal the seams so that the water doesn't leak through into the shell of the freezer. Hey buddy, it's okay. If you don't have a caulk gun, you want to pick one of those up as well. That's going to be $15 on Amazon. I think you can get them for a little bit cheaper. Not much, probably $10 minimum, but I found one that just had really good reviews, which is $15, and I have that linked below with everything else. Next, you're gonna want a freeze ray. You want the freeze ray in case you cannot plug in your deep freezer. The freeze ray just makes the water really cold really quickly. No, really, while we're on guns, what you will want is the thermometer gun. It's a super easy way to check the temperature of the water. I like to run it around 55 degrees, and it's going to be different at different times. So you're going to want to experiment with the next thing that I suggest you buy, which is an outlet timer. Get an outdoor outlet timer, one like you would use for Christmas lights. You might already have this, but if not, it's also not going to be that expensive. It's just going to be $20 on Amazon. Next, an aquarium pump. You want the aquarium pump just to keep the water circulating, and that'll keep ice from forming too quickly, and while you're in the bath, it'll keep the water running around you if you choose to leave it plugged in, but you probably shouldn't leave it plugged in while you're using it. That's all. That's how you build a cheap cold plunge. $250, 95% less than what you'd pay for on market. Say bye, Happy. Say bye. You're not getting anything out of him. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll get back to you.